Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we'll take you through the mesmerizing process of creating a mouth-watering zebra cheesecake that will tantalize your taste buds. So, let's get started. Our journey begins with a refreshing combination of water and gelatin. Pour the water into a bowl, and add the gelatin. Give it a gentle stir, and set it aside to allow the gelatin to bloom for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grab a pack of 24 delicious Oreos and crush them into fine crumbs. To bind these delightful crumbs together, pour melted butter over them and mix until well combined. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box below. Now, take a 22 cm springform pan, and gently press the crushed Oreo and butter mixture onto the bottom. In a large mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, yogurt, milk, sugar, and a touch of tangy lemon juice. Now, it's time to incorporate the gelatin mixture we prepared earlier. Using a blender or mixer, blend the ingredients together for 2 to 3 minutes, creating a velvety smooth cheesecake batter. Divide the batter in half. Take one portion and add black food coloring, swirling it in gently until a beautiful ebony shade is achieved. Leave the other portion as it is, showcasing its creamy white allure. Now comes the artistic part. Using a large ladle, begin pouring the cheesecake mixture over the chilled Oreo crust in the springform pan. Alternate between the white and black batter, allowing them to intermingle gracefully, creating mesmerizing zebra-like patterns. With the pouring complete, our zebra cheesecake is almost ready to steal the show. Place the springform pan in the freezer and allow the cheesecake to chill for approximately 1.5 hours. Whether you're preparing this delightful dessert for a special occasion or simply indulging in a sweet moment of bliss, the zebra cheesecake promises to captivate your senses with its striking appearance and divine flavor. So, go ahead, take a slice, and savor the harmonious combination of velvety cream cheese, rich Oreos, and delicate zebra stripes. Enjoy every bite, and let the flavors dance on your palate. Remember, subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing is incredibly valuable to us. They motivate us to keep creating and sharing more delightful recipes for you to enjoy. And never forget that good food brings good mood.